Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to speak English and how to improve your English. At first, I want to say by improving your English in this journey, it's a medium to work in any company. It's very important to us today's era that we learn English and we speak very fluent in English, so that I can I I'm also learning English with you, and today in today's I want to pursue I want to master in English, and I believe in that. I will do it for sure. And you know what, when it comes to learning English, it's a way to persistent. It's demand for hard work, and it's a very must. You have to listen more and more podcast in English on YouTube channel, on any other channel, and you have to talk about something in English, with your friends, with your colleague, with your wherever you have. And you have to push yourself towards learning English. And one day if you have to work on you have to work on your skills, and you have to work on yourself, then it will definitely one day you are improve your English in your journey. It's a medium to learning English that is your dedication, your continuous efforts, what you put in it continuously every day. You have to listening minimum 15 minutes to 20 minutes. But if you learn English very fast manner and very early, then you have to work hard, and you have to put in 2 hours on the daily basis. And it's not only a language, it's a medium of working job professional. It's a very useful for job. It's a very useful for business. What you work in your you are working in your company. So it's useful. I wouldn't say that it is very important to live life, but it's a very useful for us to. And you know, when you start learning English, and when you start speaking in English, you feel confident, you feel very energetic, and you have to learn it because you pursue any degree. Then you have to. And when you have to crack any exam, and you have to crack any interview, it will very useful for it. And it is very useful for who is cracking any interview, because maximum interview are happened in English. So it's boost your confidence, and it will be useful for it. Then second is very important, is that please listen actively. When we are listening a podcast, when we are listening a YouTube video, and whatever it is, then only we have listened. But what is important, it is then that is you have to listen it very properly in a active listening. You know what, I hope you understand. I what I am trying to convey to you. And yeah, when you when you put it in your efforts, then one day you will understand it. I know, when you listen day by day, and every day, if you listen and listen, if you are doing listening practice every day on the everyday basis, then you have to understand. I know. But if you want to speak in family members, and with your friends, with your colleague, then you have to put efforts more than that. You have to 2-3 hours 2-3 hours give it to it. And you know, when you listen very actively, then you have to focus on the words, vocab, and words, then and their accent. It will be very helpful when you are speaking, and when you will be able to speak. So that it is very important. And you know, I know English is very important, but it's a language, and if you have determined for it, if you have dedicate for it, then you have to do it, and I know you will do it. So please start, and push yourself to more work hard, and mm, please come out of our comfort zone, and you will become a good you will be become a good speaker. Now you are a good listener, but you will become a good speaker. I know you have the potential, you have the energy, you have the maximum potential, and if you dedicate towards it, then you will achieve it. uh, um, someone said, if you are put it in efforts very eagerly and very enthusiastic manner, then you have some courage, and someone said, if there is here, and if you work hard, if you put it in efforts, then he will recognize you one day. Be hopeful for the day, and yeah, you will achieve it. Thank you for listening me, and thank you for giving me your valuable time, and yeah, thank you so much for listening me.